Rivers crisis. Governor Fubara foils police attempts to seize election materials. Governor Siminalayi Fubara intervened in what appears to be an unauthorized attempt by police forces to access the state's independent electoral commission premises. According to a footage obtained by NaijaNews TV, the incident occurred at approximately 1 a.m. on Friday when police officers, led by the Deputy Commissioner of Police for Operations, allegedly attempted to enter the commission's strong room containing sensitive electoral materials. The materials were intended for today's scheduled local government elections across the state. Alert security officials promptly notified commission's authorities and government officials, leading to Governor Fubara's immediate response to the situation. Video evidence captures the governor's arrival at the scene, accompanied by the National Assembly members, state legislators, and other key political stakeholders, reinforcing the collective response to the incident.
But I have to say this on a very strong note. We've been taking enough nonsense from this institution. Everybody is aware of the court judgment, and even the judgment as they call it, the ruling. Did the ruling specify anywhere that election should not hold? He said, don't give voters register. What are we doing with it? Okay, police, don't provide security. Don't provide security. Is this the same thing as blocking the election? I don't know what the relationship between Inspector General of Police and one person who claims he has so much power in this state. I don't know the relationship because it's beginning to go beyond the normal professional relationship.
In response to the incident, the Rivers State Police Command, through their spokesperson, SP Grace Iwingekoko, had earlier issued a statement acknowledging receipt of a restraining order regarding security provisions for the local government elections. Currently, high-ranking state officials, including the Chief of Staff and the Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, are maintaining a presence at the Electoral Commission's office to ensure the security of electoral materials and the scheduled conduct of the election. This incident follows Governor Fubara's recent announcement that his party, the People's Democratic Party, would not participate in the October 5th local government elections. The governor cited the need to comply with the federal government directives regarding the implementation of the Supreme Court's judgment on the local government autonomy. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for further updates on this story.